Hi, Meg. Here's Gavin. He's really liking his present. He just made grunting noises. Let's see what he does now.
Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it. You're good.
Good job.
Yeah.
Try pulling the string. Good. You got both. Good.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Here, let me help you. Here, let's pull that.
That was kind of hard.
You're so excited, aren't you? Oh. Here, now try.
This is from your Auntie Meg.
Good. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
It's coming.
Here. Let's try one more time. Here.
What is this?
What is it? It says peekaboo. Oh, you want the plastic?
Okay, put it on him so we can.
Strong, Gavin. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, you're getting yourself worked up. Okay, it's a choking hazard. No plastic.
Gosh.
Look, Gavin.
Look at the bib. That means you can eat apples
Yeah.
over your pumpkin. It's a bat, and it says peekaboo.
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 Do you like it?
Say thank you, Auntie Meg. I really like it.
Oh, you like that too, I bet.